So all of these designs are tied to best-selling products. But if you don't know how to create them, you're definitely going to miss out on opportunities to make sales this Valentine's Day season. And in today's video, I want to walk you through why these products have sold so well, because the secret is they actually sold well in Christmas. And these are current styles that are going to explode during Valentine's Day. And again, if you miss out on how to create them, you're going to be missing out on potential sales. I'll share with you my prompts for all of these top selling designs for Valentine's Day that is clearly going to make thousands of sales on Etsy. I'll share this all with you coming up next. All right, so Valentine's Day is going to explode with these top trends. And if you missed them, I want to walk you through a couple designs and prompts that you can use for your Etsy business. If you're thinking about creating this for print on demand, Printify is my #1 place to sell all these type of products. They have a ton of things for you to select and choose, and they make it really easy for you to apply all of these top selling designs we're talking about in today's video. If you do want to start with Printify, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. They have over 1,000 products completely free to use. You can get started absolutely for free. Again, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below so you can follow along with me and start implementing these type of designs for your print on demand product. Now, all of these prompts today you can access by jumping over to my free niche master tool. This is how I'm able to find top trending products very quickly on Etsy for free. If you head over to this free tool here, you head over to prompt library. This is where all of my prompts are going to be, so you know exactly how this was made. I'll make sure I leave a link down below so you can get access to my free niche master tools so you can find these top trends and start using these prompts for your print on demand business. All right, so the first top trend for this area is focusing on the grandma niche. And again, we're going to be focused on the Valentine's Day season. But this one here says grandma is my Valentine's. And of course, we're going to start seeing some best-selling products when we get closer to Valentine's Day. But even just kicking off the first week of January, we can already see there are a ton of products here that is showcasing this niche here where we're talking about grandma and Valentine's Day. And we definitely want to start creating some things in this area, taking in some popular phrases, taking in some popular design styles, as well as that unique design of focusing on this specific person like grandma here. And one of the things I have learned to work well is definitely adding in these type of doodle letters like we see here and adding in something of uniqueness with the bow. That's exactly what we want to do with our design. Now, here's a design that we have created. Again, this one here, it says grandma is my Valentine's. And if you can see here, we're bringing in all of those type of doodle style letters that we have seen on Etsy to do extremely well. We definitely bring it in that nice type of color with the bow here on top of the A, and we bring it in some things in regarding the heart as well, which we have seen all these type of things do extremely well. This can easily be created for a personalized product as well. As we can see here, this one here is focused on an auntie, but again, the same process can be applied. Again, personalization is also applied here, and you can see how easy it is to take this type of design just for the first part of the sweatshirt or the t-shirt or whatever you want to create here, and utilize this to create a personalized item for your print on demand business. I think this can do extremely well. Again, here's the prompt for this. Again, I'll make sure I leave this down below for you to access this prompt library. And if you want to add this over into a t-shirt as well, again, we'll hop over into Printify. We'll select a t-shirt, which will select the Bella and Canvas t-shirt. We'll go ahead and start designing here, and we can upload it here. And I think that came out well. As you can see, a perfect fit when we are definitely resizing this to a fit for our canvas and our space for the t-shirt. But if we go ahead and select this to be preview mode, you can see how beautiful that came out. Again, we can definitely add in some personalization to make it stand out even more. But when we look at this compared to the other best-selling products on Etsy and things that are obviously coming up to be bestsellers, I think this is an easy win in my opinion. Definitely looking at different type of people we can create this for. Definitely bring in those popular phrases, go a little bit further, add in personalization. But again, this can definitely be a winner because we're adding in unique design styles and also some best-selling font styles here that can do extremely well. As you can see here, this is popular now. And again, most of these will be bestsellers as we get closer to that time of Valentine's Day. But we definitely want to start now and start putting these things in our shop. And as you can see, I think this came out extremely well. This can easily be transferable over into a sweatshirt product here. Definitely add in personalization on the sleeve. But again, a lot of opportunities here when we're adding in specific people for Valentine's Day. Now, here is another top trending design that, again, if you have been on Etsy for any length of time, you know anything with the goose and the ducks are doing extremely well. Previous years, The Highland cows were really doing well, and Highland cows are still doing well. But when we're talking about what are the current trends, definitely getting into the geese and the duck type of styles are doing well. Here's one that says, "Our flock is full of love." Again, you'll see here in a minute, this is following best-selling products. Again, we have the prompt here for you to use and copy as well for whatever software you want to use. But as we look at the results from Etsy, you can see there are a ton of these type of geese designs that are doing well. Again, one of the things I always think about when we try to make something different in regards to our designs is definitely bringing in a popular phrase at the bottom to stand out even more, right? We know these geese type of products are all over the place, and you're going to start seeing these pop up for different type of seasons, right? We see a lot of that has been done for back to school. We've seen that done during Thanksgiving, obviously during Christmas. And so just think about the seasons that are coming up, think about how we can implement that. Again, this is going to be a popular one during the time of Valentine's Day. So we definitely want to start implementing that strategically in our shop, and even think about some up and coming seasons that are going to, again, have this opportunity to sell these type of geese and duck designs. But as you can see here, definitely going to be a best-selling product here. Again, a lot of these here are going to be popular now. They're going to be bestsellers. Don't let that scare you, because you don't see this flooded with the bestsellers badge right now. We're definitely tons of weeks ahead before Valentine's Day kicks off. But again, we want to go ahead and start planning this out now. And here's a great example of what we were able to create. We took on the very popular geese scene here, but just add in different type of phrases at the bottom. And again, we can go further and add in different styles here, but I think this is a great example of how we can implement this easily into our shop for Valentine's Day. And for this design here, let's go ahead and see how this is going to look on a sweatshirt. So we're going to jump back into Printify. We're going to select the Gildan 1800 series. I think that's a perfect sweatshirt to start selling if you are thinking about getting into this space here. We'll go ahead and upload our design here. And now we have our design uploaded here. We go ahead and see how this looks in a preview. And as you can see, I think that came out extremely well also. Again, very easy when we're talking about integrating this type of geese design over into Valentine's Day. Again, I think the main thing here is definitely find some unique ways to characterize the type of elements that we have here, obviously with the geese, and definitely bringing in some popular phrases here. Obviously, you can bring in personalization as well. But I think when it comes down to these type of designs, being very strategic in the phrase you use and the style of geese that you use, I think it's going to be a game changer. But still, definitely one I would encourage you to do in your shop, definitely create this type of geese design. Is going to do extremely well. And here is another great example of this. As you can see, we brought in the type of geese design that obviously is doing well, but here's a different take on that. As you can see here, a different style of geese, all still following the same lineup of the elements here, but definitely brought in some different character traits, brought in a different phrase, a different textile, but still, again, following in line with what we see with bestsellers. So this is what I mean by going into this area. Think about how we can incorporate this type of geese duck design in a unique way, bring out different styles here, but definitely stay true to this area because this is obviously selling well, but we want to definitely take a different turn and twist on this design style, which again, I think this can do just as well here. Now, there's a lot here that we can keep going on, but I just shared with you some examples of what we have here and just give you some ideas of how you can move forward in your design. So here's an example of a design that we had here. Again, sold extremely well in previous months. And the reason for that is that we combined two things, right? We combined obviously seasonal type of trends, but we also incorporated a micro niche, those who enjoy reading. So here's a great example of this. We can jump into just the reading niche in itself, more specifically the phrase, just one more chapter. And when I see designs like this or niches like this, tons of bestsellers and popular nouns, all surrounded by that phrase, just one more chapter. Obviously, it's geared towards those who are book lovers. I always think about if this is already working well as an evergreen niche product, how can we infuse that into a seasonal type of design? This is exactly what we were able to get here. So instead of us saying, again, just one more chapter, we just simply put in that very unique style of the books being stacked up here. As you can see, we definitely follow that trend. And then we put in a popular phrase here, reading is my Valentine. You can change this reading out to be anything, really. In our case today, because we're focused on the book lover niche and applying that to the Valentine's Day space, we added here, reading is my Valentine. Again, here's the prompt here. That can help you get something close to this. But again, easy win in my opinion, right? Go into these evergreen niches, see what is doing well here, and definitely think about how we can apply that over into our space with Valentine's Day. So here's just a couple other mentions as well that goes along with what we said about finding specific people and tying that into popular trends as well. Bring in the popular 3-layer heart has always done extremely well. Now, these type of designs here, I think is one we definitely got to talk about because these type of designs here, again, bringing in the doodle type of letters is going to do extremely well. But specifically with this type of grid type of layout with this art style is something we have seen to do well all over Christmas, and it will do well moving forward again for a different season. That's one of the major parts about it, right? Look and see what has done well in previous areas like Christmas and think about how that design can be applied over to a new season, applying this to a person or applying this to a popular phrase, adding in unique colors here. Again, we're talking about Valentine's Day in today's video, but this is going to be a design style and trend that's going to be really showcased over multiple different seasonal areas. And this is a great example of this. We can see this is a best-selling product here. This is talking about nurse, but as you can see here, this type of style of having the letter inside of the box, this nice type of a yarn type design that's around the box, this has done extremely well. Definitely a best-selling product, and it has been applied to other different type of professions, other different type of people in regards to the Christmas space. See what has done well in that style and how that can be applied to other areas moving forward. Here is another example looking back at Christmas just to even further prove the point here is that really you know what's going to sell well because it has sold well in the past. Here's another example of this. All right, this here says mama. You can see the same type of character layout and themes have done well, and we definitely want to apply that over into our space. Again, best selling product here. So again, the market is already telling us what it likes, what it demands. Now it's for us to shift it over into the right season so it can be available for them there as well. And again, this is why our take on this is so important. This can be moved over into any space, right? Right now we have it saying love, but we can easily move this over into Gigi, grandma, nurse, teacher, first grade, or whatever the case might be here. You can see how simple this is just to change out these letters to be something different. The goal here is having this proper style to our design. It's what's going to be the game changer. Here's the prompt here. Again, I'll leave this for you so you can access this and actually use this prompt for your on-demand business. But if we jump back over into Printify and get ready to apply this to a t-shirt here, again, when I upload this design, we can see how well this came out. I head over to preview one more time here, and you just see how great of a design this is. So definitely one that falls in line with that style. We see the work in other places. Again, we can apply this into different people, professions, but the hard part that I see people struggle with is getting the proper art style. Again, that's why I left you that prompt so you know how to get the same style we're talking about, as you can see here. But as you apply this to a real product, you can see how great that came out. I would definitely scale this out into different type of areas for people, professions, occasions, hobbies, interests, and definitely scale this out following this exact style because this is going to be a game changer in my opinion. And we can already see this being applied over into Valentine's Day. This one's taking in a different type of style here. We have more so elements inside of those little rectangles and then the text at the bottom. But again, the same process applies. Having in that unique style can definitely be a game changer. And again, one that's being carried over into Valentine's Day, and I think will do extremely well. And again, this is our product here that we created. You can see how well that fell in line with what is actually working well. Most people right now don't even have this type of style on Valentine's Day products right now. So as you can see, a huge opportunity because there's not even a lot of designs like this. So we definitely want to be one of the first few to start listing these products so ours can be visible so we can start making sales in this area. As you can see here, there are a lot of products that I think can be a game changer in your shop for Valentine's Day if you focus on the right style, understand why it is doing well, and implement that properly so you can start making sales. Now, if you want to get access to all the prompts I'm talking about in today's video, make sure you check out my link down below so you can get access to the prompts and even learn how I create these to start selling on Etsy. If you do want to learn that next step of actually how to create this and how to scale this out and how to sell this, jump over into the niche master, click on this little button here, how to sell, and then I'll share with you the next steps of how to get started selling this on Etsy so that you can start making sales as well. And check out this next video here where I share with you how I created all of these designs with a very simple prompt structure that I'm able to create hundreds of products within a few short moments. Again, check the next video out here, and I will see you in the next video.